Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Journey, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real life situations. Today, we are going to the airport, a busy, exciting place full of people, travel, and English conversations. You will learn how to talk in English at the airport, from checking in to boarding the plane. So get ready for takeoff. Let's begin our English journey together. Scene at the airport. Characters.
Lisa, traveler.
Tom, friend helping her.
Check-in agent. Airport staff.
Security officer.
Flight attendant.
Scene 1, outside the airport.
Lisa, do you have your passport and ticket?
Yes, I do. Thanks, Tom.
Great. What time is your flight?
It's at 10:30 a.m. I should check in soon.
Okay, let's go inside the airport.
All right, I'm a bit nervous. I haven't traveled in a long time.
Don't worry, I'll help you. It's easy.
Scene 2, at the check-in counter.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes. Just one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is checked in. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 12.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Scene 3, security check.
Please put your bag and phone in the tray.
Okay, sure.
Please walk through the scanner. All good. You can take your things.
Thank you.
Scene 4, at the boarding gate.
Excuse me, is this gate 12?
Yes, it is. Are you flying to London?
Yes, that's right.
Great. We will start boarding in 10 minutes. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. Boarding now. Please come this way.
Vocabulary and expressions. Let's learn some useful words and phrases from today's story. Check in, to register for your flight at the airport. Example, I check in 2 hours before my flight. Boarding pass, the paper or digital ticket that lets you enter the airplane. Example, please show your boarding pass at the gate. Gate, the place where you wait to get on the plane. Example, my flight leaves from gate 12, security check, a place where officers check your bags and body for safety. Example, I remove my shoes during the security check. Suitcase, a large bag for your clothes when you travel. Example, my suitcase is heavy. Passport, an official document you need to travel to another country. Example, don't forget your passport. Board the plane to enter the airplane before the flight. Example, passengers are boarding the plane now. Flight, a trip by airplane. Example, my flight is at 10:30 a.m. Practice section, repeat after me. Let's practice together. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Good morning, I'm flying to London. Good morning, I'm flying to London. Please repeat after me. May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please? Here is your boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Where is gate number 12? Where is gate number 12? Please put your bag in the tray. Please put your bag in the tray. Have a safe flight. Have a safe flight. Recap story. Let's hear the story one more time. Short and simple. Lisa goes to the airport with her friend Tom. She checks in her suitcase and gets her boarding pass. Then she goes through the security check. Finally, she waits at gate 12 for her flight to London. The flight attendant smiles and says, "Have a nice flight." Call to action. Well done, my friends. You just learned how to speak English at the airport. Real phrases you can use when you travel. Remember, practice makes progress. Try to repeat these sentences and use them in real life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Journey, where learning English is easy, fun, and step by step. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and safe travels.